Hi dearest, how are you doing today? I'm sure most of you have seen the trendy Zara Gele that's all around the internet and also physically. I have been seeing them also, and I decided why not make my own form of Zara Gele. So I did, and I made it out straw mat and my Zara cap made with velvet. So why not follow me in this journey as I show you how to make it as well. Gele, what I made use of was this bronze hat wire, then bias, scissors, needle and thread, uhu gum, and the paper mat that was left after I made this spiral straw mat fascinator. If you didn't watch it, it means you need to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified when I put up new training. So you can see you can make with a straw mat 2 different fascinators. So let's dive in. The first step in making our trendy Zara Gele my own style is to remove the thread that is left at the edges of the straw mat that was left. Remember what I did in the previous one was I took out 3 different layers, that 9 layers in total out of it. So this is what was left. So I just removed the thread right now. Next step in making my trendy Zara Gele is to sew up that part that was left out to the remaining straw mat like so. Keep watching and learning. After you have done that, the next step is to take your bronze hat wire and start sewing it at the edges or on the edge. Is it on the edge or at the edge? Oh, someone should correct me in the comment section below. Okay, you sew it at the edge of your straw mat. So I'm going to be doing it all the way around like so. Can you see how I'm sewing it? So that's the way you take it all the way around. Yeah, this is my trendy Zara Gele. Are you feeling me? Let me know in the comment section below whether you're feeling my own trendy Zara Gele. Remember, you're going to be sewing it all the way around. So the next step in my trendy Zara Gele is to glue bias all the way around the edges to cover the hat wire that you have sewn to the edges. So that's the way I'm going to glue it. And I'm going to make use of pegs. Remember, pegs help to make your work faster. In case you can't find any of the items I'm making use of in making my trendy Zara Gele in your local store, please do check the Amazon and AliExpress links below this video in the description to place your orders. The next step now is to attach your straw mat that you have processed, if I will use that word, to your Zara cap. Now this Zara cap was made with velvet and some stone trimmings. So now I'm going to be attaching them north, south, east and west to hold it firmly on the hat. And where I'm placing it is where the cap joins. Do you understand? So the back of the cap, so it's in the middle. That's where I'm sewing. Remember, most of my videos do carry a gift at the end, and I think this one does, so you want to stay up to the end of this video. Now the final step in making my trendy Zara Gele was I attached flowers to the side of the Zara Gele, my own form. So keep watching and learning. And that's how I made my own form of the trendy Zara Gele. So for staying with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to award the first person to get this answer right to watch for free, to attend the Vendcraft Academy Turban Class 2 for free. Now the question is, how many hair accessories was I able to make with the original straw mat that I used to make this trendy Zara Gele? The person to get that answer gets to attend the Vendcraft Academy Turban Class 2 for free. And if you want to attend the class or any other class in the Vendcraft Academy, please do check the description of this channel, of this video rather, below. You would see the Vendcraft Academy reception. You click on it and you enter into our reception, and you can ask and know all that we have available for you. So till we meet next time, please do check out this next video on how to make the Spider-Man web fascinator, also made with straw mat.